Hey guys, so we've all heard about this foundation on Instagram, TikTok, it's all over the place. It's Makiage, and they claim that with just a 5-second quiz, they can perfectly match your skin tone and they have make your face this flawless looking natural look you could have with a foundation. All the reviews, of course, are excellent. All the videos they post look convincing. I've been looking at it for a while. And of course, I was very skeptical, as I'm sure a lot of people are. So I bit the bullet and I did it. There's I think it's a 30, 60, or 90, one of those day free trial. And they give you the full size bottle. So if you don't like it, you can return it supposedly and get your money back. I'm sure less shipping and handling or whatever. But they actually looped me into joining their every 4-month club, shipping club, because I wanted to get the foundation brush that comes with it. So I did that, but I suppose that the same thing applies if I don't like it. So here's the box. I'm just now opening it. It comes in Makiage, New York. All right, so here's the foundation. Let's see. I'm really, honestly, I mean, the videos are very, very promising. So, I mean, when I say I have tried every foundation on the market, I mean I have tried every foundation on the market. From $100 foundations to $10 foundations, you name it, I've tried it. All right, so here we go. It opens like that, and here it is. So I took the quiz online, and they matched my color. So this is called Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation, and this is supposedly my perfect match. All right, so let's see. This is Foundation Blending Brush. This is what I kind of really wanted. This is why I joined their thing, because I mean, how else am I gonna put it on without their brush? I have no makeup on, as you can tell. My face is really red. I worked all day. I have to wear a mask, so my face gets really dry right here. So what I'm gonna actually do before I apply it is I'm gonna quickly use a cleaning wipe on my face, get all the any residue or anything off. Not makeup, because I'm not wearing any. It would be nice if it works. I have a lot to cover. Alright, so let that dry. I always finish up with a toner and moisturizer, so I'm just gonna do that like I would any other day. So I'm gonna do the toner now. And these aren't any special products or anything like that. I use Aveeno cleansing wipes and just like a witch hazel toner. And guys, when you clean your face, don't forget to get your neck. All underneath and your neck. It's very important to get those areas. Okay, I'll let that dry. Good, and now I'll apply some of my lotion. And this is just normal lotion with a little bit of SPF that I wear every single day. I have pretty dry skin. Well, I have combination skin actually. I have dry some days, and then other days it can be extremely oily. So I guess it just depends what time of the month it is. So I'm gonna let that dry and soak in, because this is my routine. So I want an actual honest idea of how it's really gonna work, like in my morning routine, how this stuff will work. Okay. All right, so there we have it. Just to see if there's any directions. There isn't. Oh, apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. Wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or wrist. They're a different tone than your face. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. Okay, that's interesting. I'm gonna shake it. All right, let's find out. So do I apply it to the brush? It doesn't say apply to 2 pumps. I guess I don't know if I'm supposed to, it's really soft, the brush, so I don't know if I'm supposed to apply it to the brush. I don't know, it doesn't say, so I guess I'll apply it to my finger and then to my face. Oh, I gotta prime it, it's not coming out. Oh. All right, so that's 1 pump. I mean, I don't know. It looks very off from my color right now. Let me do pump number 2. So this is 2 pumps. That's what it calls for. All right, let's, I want to get all of it off my finger. Now let's, I guess, I blend it in. This brush seems honestly way too soft. Compared to other foundation brushes, this seems very soft. Like I don't really I don't see how this could spread it very well. I mean, like, work it in. Really trying to get it on my under eye area. I mean, looking in the mirror, it's actually pretty spot on. It actually really is my color. It doesn't look... I'm gonna put another coat because they say you can use as many coats as you need to build the coverage you're going for. I mean, obviously 1 is definitely not enough for me. So I'm gonna go, I guess I should let that dry first. Okay, it's dry. I can definitely tell I have makeup on. It doesn't feel like nothing like they claim, that's for sure. This is pump 1. I need a lot of coverage down here. That was just one pump. I'm gonna work with that first and see if I need another one. Just clean it off my fingers. All right, let's try rubbing this one in, seeing if there's a difference. Am I doing it wrong? Am I supposed to go up and down, circular? I really am not great at makeup, so this is probably about the most honest review you're ever gonna see, because I don't really ever wear makeup, and when I do, it's very, very basic. Foundation, bronzer, eyeliner, mascara. That's it. It looks very patchy. Like, it doesn't look like it's, like, it looks like some places have it a lot more than others. But I don't know if that's just the camera. You see it, like, on my nose? Now, I do have a yellow undertone to my skin. That I know. Let me turn the lighting down to see if that might help a little. I mean, I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's really what everybody says it is. It looks like my color, but I can see that I'm wearing makeup. And it's not, it doesn't really cover the bags under my eyes, which is one of the areas that's most concerning for me. See, I'm looking in the mirror and then back in the camera. What's this other? I got one other thing. I think this is the special gift ink liner. I think it's just eyeliner. Yeah, it's like eyeliner. Which I would totally royally screw up if I tried to use, so that's not gonna happen. And that's it, a whole bunch of this stuff. Oh, there's papers in here. Mystery gift, that's what it is. Mystery gift. Alright. Oh wait, let's see. It's the it's a 14-day free trial. I was wrong. Very wrong. 14 days. It's only 2 weeks that you have to try this. I mean, it looks much better in the mirror than it does in the camera. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe if I change the color a little bit. That's a little bit more natural, I guess. I don't know. I was really hoping for a lot more. I'm gonna try some more under my eyes. I mean, because it didn't really cover anything there. And I've applied it to this area a bunch. And that brush, I mean, the brush is very soft. To me, it's a little too soft. So I'm going to come in with my other foundation brush that I use and use it and see if that maybe helps blend it a little bit better. Alright, let's see. This is my foundation brush that I use. get under my eyes. I mean, like, how many pumps of this stuff am I supposed to use? I'm gonna go over the rest of my face with it because just that other brush doesn't seem to really blend it. I mean, I would say I still need another coat. I mean, I'm gonna do one more in the important areas. I don't really want to put it on my forehead too much because it sinks into my the lines there. My under eyes though, it's not covering at all. I'm on like, I'm gonna say I'm on like pump 5. I lost count, so I don't know. 4 or 5, I think 5. So let's use this brush. This is the brush that I already had. This is not the one that came with it, and see if that helps blend it. And I'm using it very gently. I'm not like pushing it into my skin. See if that blends it a little bit better. Maybe I should have used a primer first. I mean, not everybody does those, so. Okay, I will say this brush works much better than the one that came with it. It matches really good though. It is, I would say it is my color. Although for some reason it really doesn't look like it on the camera. Alright, let me sit back and look. I mean, it's not terrible. It does look like I'm not really like wearing any makeup. But that's the problem. It doesn't look like I'm wearing any makeup. My skin is far from flawless, as you can see. And yet I used like a bunch of the product. Should I keep going? I don't know. I mean, I have these little blemishes that I would really like to be covered. I'm really disappointed, honestly. I was looking forward to one that actually worked. And actually did what it said for once. That's it. I'm not gonna put out anymore. So oh, it snaps on. Alright, so I mean, looks better. Definitely looks better. I still, you can, I guess I gotta let it dry. Give it a little bit. Yeah, I would say it looks better. Using the brush, my own brush was a better idea. I don't recommend the brush that comes with it. Maybe for like buffing after, like buffing, but not for application, because, ow, I just poked myself in the eye, because it's too soft. It's way too soft. This would be something I would use for like putting on a loose powder, not a foundation. Maybe that's what it was meant to be for. This is the after. I mean, I am pretty broken out right now because it's coming to be that time of the month. Let me switch the camera around so you can see what it looks like in the mirror. Can I do that? I don't think I can do that. So I'll just have to flip. Okay, so can you see? I don't know if that makes sense to do that. So there you have it. This is the Makiage New York Viral Foundation. The one thing I will say is it definitely matches my skin tone very well. Definitely. It says it's buildable coverage, but I have a feeling I would be sitting here literally all day. I mean, how many, I've used like 5-6 pumps, and I still don't have the coverage I need. So maybe this is more for people who are just looking for extremely light coverage rather than full coverage like I like. Like, see, this still really bothers me. I don't like seeing the redness, but when I look in the mirror, it's really not that red, but in the camera it is. So let me just, I know it says not to use your fingers, but I'm just gonna put some there and blend it in. Another issue I have is I have pretty big pores, and that's another reason why I use the toner. It smells good. Yeah, it is. Maybe that just won't cover because, well, I mean, like in the mirror it looks covered. Alright, so there you have it. an honest review. I am not promoting this item in any way. I got their 14-day free trial. Obviously, I'm not going to judge my decision on this one application. I will try it again with using a primer and putting the rest of my makeup on, and maybe using a like a base foundation here first in all my problem areas. But otherwise, I'm on the fence. I think it's better. It's definitely better than my before, and it definitely matches my skin color. So there you have it. I mean, I'll turn the light up. I mean, on second thought, I really think it looks good. Maybe it just had to set for a little bit. And if I put another layer on and another, I'm sure it would look even better. Now, normally I would do a finishing spray. Let me see. I just want to put some bronzer. By the way, guys, this is seriously my favorite bronzer ever. It's MAC. It's MAC bronzing powder. It's matte, and it's the color. They have a lot of different colors. This is matte bronze. That's the name of the color, I believe. But yeah, this is my favorite. This is absolutely favorite. Love it, love it, love it. It gives you, it's not orangey at all. It gives you that nice sun-kissed look that I love. I bind it into my neck. Just love it. So yeah, if you like the bronzer, this is what it is. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. I will spray the my finishing spray, and what I like to use, which works amazingly, I absolutely love it, is Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. It's in a matte finish, and it just makes your makeup look so much better. I never understood why people use these sprays, but now I totally understand. So I'm just gonna spray this. You have to shake it really well. And you just let it mist on your face, and then it dries. Love this stuff. Alright. So this is the after. Before and after so a little trick. I mean, I'm sure most people know about it because people don't. For my eyebrows, I like to get them uncovered with makeup, so I just take a little hairspray on the tip of my finger and I just run it over my eyebrow. Darkens them up and it keeps them in place. And then I'll take my brush, if I can find it. There it is. Yeah, normally I would probably fill them in a little bit. Alright, so after, I think it's a pretty significant difference. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helps you, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section and I'll be happy to answer your questions. I'm pretty good at getting back to people in a timely manner. Yeah, so there you go. If you guys have anything else you would like me to review, just ask and I'll look into it. I don't get paid for doing this stuff. I just do it because I want to help people in their decisions to make these purchases. And I did the review for the press-on veneers that I had for many years, and actually a lot of you are subscribers to me because of the reviews I did from that, and I want to thank you. And actually I don't think I ever updated with my permanent veneers, so this is my permanent smile. I've had it for now, oh gosh, like I don't even know when I made that video. It's gotta be like a couple of years. So it's so nice to have, I had the chance to do something that, basically forever changes somebody's life. So yeah, so if you haven't seen those videos and you're interested in changing your smile, you're not happy with your smile for any reason, go to my page, look up those videos. They're all there. I have I think 4 different reviews, and that's that. So all right, bye guys.